For Australia, these tariffs are not unexpected, but let me be clear, they are totally unwarranted. The administration's tariffs have no basis in logic, and they go against the basis of our two nations partnership. This is not the act of a friend. Today's decision will add to uncertainty in the global economy, and it will push up costs for American households. It is the American people who will pay the biggest price for these unjustified tariffs.
These tariffs mostly and foremost hurt the US economy. It means these imports are becoming more expensive for American firms. They have to pay higher prices. It means their products will become more expensive, so they lose competitiveness on the international market. Likely to be higher inflation in the US, and their firms become less competitive. So the US really does hurt itself.
Well, it's really unfortunate that the Trump administration has opted to go with tariffs, and higher taxes. And what he has done has essentially put a very low spirit on the prospects for global economic recovery. Actually, there are already predictions that major economies are already revising their growth, forecast.